My name's Luke Cox. I'm the CEO of Green Technology Metals. We're building a vertically integrated lithium business in Canada. So Green Technology Metals, we're an ASX-listed company. It's always good to come down to Southwest, meet investors, the brokers are here, the Mets are here, so it's a good time to catch up with everyone in the industry and just see where the lithium market's going and just also showcase Canada and our projects. This is actually our anniversary, so every time we come to Southwest, we're another year older, so we're 2 years old. So we started off with 3 projects. We're now up to 10 projects, 56,000 hectares all over northwest Ontario. And also with those projects, we have a flagship which is called Seymour, and we have a long-term project which is called Root. When we started off with both our projects, we moved straight into Seymour, we started drilling, we started permitting. Now we're actually at a stage where we're about to deliver our scoping study for the whole project. So that's vertically integrated. So that'll mean stage 1, getting the Seymour mine up and running. Stage 2, getting lithium conversion plant up and running in Thunder Bay. Stage 3 is our long-term supply chain into the business and really feeding into that North American thematic. That first stage is a very simple, dense media separation mine up there at Seymour. Get that one into production as soon as possible. We'll be the first producer. The next step is that feed, that concentrate, will go down to a lithium hydroxide plant in Thunder Bay. Now, we're not going to do that alone. We're going to be in big strategics that have done this before. So we're talking, we've been to South Korea, we've been to Japan, they're all very interested. They're already engaged in Ontario, and also the government's engaged. There's also a big, supply chain building right now. They've already invested 25 billion downstream, so now we're going to do the upstream. The main thing is for us, we're about to deliver our scoping study. Now our scoping study is going to be broken down into 2 portions. The first one's going to talk about, what does a concentrator and a mine look like at Seymour, like an MPV, the value proposition. And then we're going to also, in the scoping study, talk about the bigger project, the full integration. And that's where the big MPV comes in, the big strategics, and really completing that supply chain right there in Canada, Ontario.